Are the things you are doing with your life now going to take you to the life you want? Are you chasing a life worth living, or are you simply surviving? Right? If you are a university student now, are you at university because you want to graduate and get a normal job? Or are you going to graduate, do all this hard work, do all this revision and this coursework and all these assignments and all these classes and all this nonsense to get a bit of paper, to get a graduate, to get a degree, to then get a normal job? Is that what you actually want? Are you going to wake up at 7:30 in the morning for your job, where you know the next time you have time off work is in 4 months and you're going on a weekend trip down to Torquay? Is that actually what you want, right? So many people are just doing things now and chasing goals that aren't really their goals. And they're doing it because they're lost, they're stuck, and they're trying to please others. Okay? Are the things you are actively spending your time on now going to take you to where you want to be, right? If you are spending all day for 3, potentially 4 years working for a university degree to then go and get a £35,000 a year job, is that what you want? Right? Imagine if you spent 4 years working on your actual goals and your dreams and your ambitions and pursuing a life worth living. You would be so much more happy. And yes, the excuse of coming in is, well, I need money to survive. I need to do this. I need to do what? Yes, everyone needs money to survive, right? Every single person needs money to survive. The people that achieved their dreams and got to where you want to be, they needed money to survive. They needed money to pay rent. They needed money for food, but they made it happen. You can make it happen and live a life worth living, right? There's so much you can be doing now. You have to really look at what you are doing and going, is the outcome of this what I want, where I want to be, right? And if no, you have to take a really drastic look and analyze every aspect until you're happy with where it takes you, right? There is no point spending your one life on earth being unhappy, not doing what you want, not doing what you love. Because believe me, you have choice. You have choice over what you do, okay? You are the only person that controls your fate and your destiny. If you want something, you work hard at it, you will get it, okay? If you spent those 4 years working 12 hours a day, building up a business, you would come out of the end of it very successful. If you did everything like you were supposed to, you worked extremely hard, got the things done that you wanted, problem solved along the way, kept learning, adapting, improving, you would get where you want. You wouldn't just get to the end of it with a piece of paper and not even a promise of a job. And people tell you, job security. There is no security in a normal job nowadays. Absolutely not. You can get fired tomorrow. They do not care. When you run a business, you are in control. If you need to make money, you know where the money comes from. You can turn the pipes and make more come in if you really had to, right? I went over this in my video yesterday. Who do you have trust in this life? Who do you have faith in? Who do you believe in the most? Yourself, okay? If everything was to crumble down around you and it was weighing you down and you couldn't do anything, who would you trust to get you out of it? You would trust yourself. I can do this. I can do that. I will do it, right? That is what you need to do. You need to assess your current situation. Is this taking you to where you want to be? Is it making you happy? Okay? Because if you're not going to find happiness with a piece of paper and a degree and working for someone else, that's where you're going to end up. That's fine. You understand that. That is the first step. But now you need to take action. okay? And building cash flow is the first step you need to take. And to do that, do Etsy dropshipping, okay? You know, I teach it for free. It's in the description. But once you take control over your life and you do everything each day that is going to take you to a life worth living, you will be so much happier. You'll be so much fulfilled. You'll be excited to get out of bed in the morning. You won't want to sleep. You won't want to do anything. You will just want to do whatever it takes to take you to your goals. So please assess your life, understand what is happening, control it, and get to where you want to be.